All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day. It's been about 2 weeks now since we dropped the car off at Detail Grounds, and we are here to pick it up. Like I did tell you guys 2 videos ago when we did the reveal video for the M3 that you would be seeing Kyler again and his beautiful 340i here that we have, and he is currently a low boy. A lot lower than what he was when you guys first saw the car. We just installed H&R Sport lowering springs on his 340. It does look very good, as you guys can see from this angle. It did drop the vehicle down a significant amount to where that there's barely any gap left. Oh, yeah. So he's gonna be getting some. What were you getting? You're gonna be getting
lug nuts, and then we're gonna do a 15-inch spacer in the back, and then 12-inch in the front. So that'll be perfect fitment, I think.
Exactly, yeah, get that fitment really dialed in. But I'm just gonna give you guys like a quick walk around of his 340 so you can see how beautiful the thing is. I mean, I don't think anybody takes better care of their car than Kyler. This guy's a nut when it comes to the detailing. His paint's in perfect condition.
A little obsessed.
Yeah, he's a little obsessed when it comes to detailing. I mean, look at that thing in the sunlight. This car is absolutely immaculate at all times. I don't think, even when it rains, I don't think his car gets dirty. Somehow, some way. Exactly. You got to teach me the tricks, man. I know it's not ceramic coating. You're lying. Yeah, but this thing is absolutely beautiful, guys. Looks very good. But with all that said, we're going to head inside now. We're going to see the M3 for the first time in 2 weeks. And I have a little surprise for you guys that I will be revealing sometime later on in the video. So let's go ahead. Let's go inside and let's see what we got. All right. I'm ready, boys.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh, man. I thought the camera here. I'm gonna close my eyes. I don't want to look.
It's your new car.
Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. Wow. You sure this is my car?
Yeah.
You sure it is?
Better than it.
Wow. Wow. I'm speechless. I really don't know what to say. I mean, wow. Guys, as you saw when I dropped the M3 off here about 2 weeks ago, the car was a little dirty. I mean, it was kind of clean here and there. But you know that, your detailer did a good job when you're looking at the car and you can't even tell yourself what they did. That's how clean this car is right now. I mean, absolutely immaculate. As I told you guys previously, what we were going to originally have them do was do a 1-stage paint correction on the entire vehicle, decontaminate the paint, remove the wheels, polish the wheels, ceramic coat the wheels, ceramic coat the brake calipers, and then we were going to be PPFing the entire front bumper, hood, front fenders, side mirrors, carbon fiber roof, and the rear bumper. But that surprise that I told you guys about that I'm not going to reveal to you is that halfway through the process, I just went ahead and told them to go ahead and fully PPF the entire car. So the entire car is fully PPF top to bottom, bottom to top. There's not a single piece of this paint that is exposed to any type of debris, rocks, or anything that the environment can throw at it. And I mean, I'm looking at it now, and that's why I told you guys, it doesn't look like they did anything, but I can see that they did everything, you know what I mean? Like, this absolutely looks amazing. I'm looking at it right now and I can't even tell that there's PPF on it. That's how good of a job they did. And I mean, obviously I get that that's the point of PPF. It's not supposed to look like it's on the car, but wow, I mean, it looks great, feels great. I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to sit in it.
Yeah.
I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to sit in there. Like, wow, you guys did a phenomenal job. Absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah, the car was in a great condition. You found a very good car.
Yeah.
And now it's looking, I believe, that better than you.
Yeah, definitely better than me. I mean, when I got the car, it looked good. That's one of the reasons why I bought it, because very minor blemishes here and there, very low miles. It was in very good condition. The previous owner, it's a 1-car owner, I'm the second owner now. He took very good care of this car, and I was like, wow, I have to buy this one. He took care of it. I know he took care of it. Exterior is in great condition. Interior is in great condition. And then I brought it over here to Detail Grounds, and these guys absolutely just blew it out the water. I mean, wow. Like I said, I don't even want to drive the car right now. It's so clean. I know as soon as I sit in it, it's ruined.
Yeah, and we customized all the parts of the car, the pre-cuts. So the pre-cut is made to be easier and faster to install.
Right.
But we got that and customize it to be able to wrap all the edges possible. So for a better protection and to be less visible.
Right.
She's
So
track
you can
ready.
see,
Yeah, she's track ready.
yeah, all the edges that we
Right.
could wrap. So it's very difficult to see the PPF.
Yeah, I
You
know.
don't
I mean,
see
that's just,
anything exposed.
wow, that's phenomenal. I knew everybody, like, you know, talks about PPF and they're like, yeah, man, you know, get your car PPF. And you're kind of like, you know, I don't know if I want to, you know, spend that kind of money to PPF the whole car or just PPF this portion. But let me tell you guys, if you guys own a very nice car or you own a car that's near and dear to your heart that you always wanted, like I've always wanted this car, I highly recommend, if you want to keep the car in its most pristine condition for the longest time possible, or the longest period of time possible, definitely PPF the car. Even if you don't do the whole car, if you just want to do the front bumper and the hood, just to protect those main areas that, you know, hit, that rock chips and debris, dirt and debris hit the most, I definitely recommend doing the front bumper and the hood, because I mean, this looks absolutely phenomenal. Like he said, you can't, I mean, I don't even know, I don't even know where they wrapped it, you know what I'm saying? I can't see anything, I can't see any of the edges, nothing. I mean, this looks absolutely phenomenal. Could not be more happy with the outcome, definitely. Well, now time to get it dirty. Now time to get it dirty.
Time to really use it.
But yeah.
Time to enjoy now.
Definitely. All right, but I mean, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video, guys. We're probably throwing a nice cinematic, some nice B-roll, you know, to wrap it up. It's kind of just a quick one, obviously, you know, letting you guys see the vehicle, me picking up the vehicle from Detail Grounds. Again, I do highly recommend their business. They do a phenomenal job, you know, with the amount of time that they put into each and every car that they touch, and the condition that you get it back in is definitely unbeatable. For me, Jamal couldn't be here today. Unfortunately, he was very busy with work, so I had to ride this one out a little solo. But Kyler was able to accompany me, and he's going to be helping me do you know, some shots and some cinematics like that. So shout out to Kyler for that. And yeah, like I said, guys, it's going to wrap it up here. Thanks for watching another video. Appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more future content, because we will be making more future content with the M3. More footage is to come. Jamal still has his reveal for his vehicle. So guys, you know, make sure you stay tuned for that as well. And I'm gonna go talk business with the guys up front, and they're gonna take my whole life savings. All right, guys. Thanks. See you in the next one.